Hey guys, this is Premster14 and today with us we have an Audi TT. We just took it to Lonavala and we had some rolling shots and now we have it parked over here and I'll give you a small walk around this car. So guys, right in front of us is the 2016 Audi TT. This is the third generation. The first generation had come out in 1998 and all the way down the Audi chart, this is the third generation. It's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine that produces 227 bhp and 370 Nm of torque, which is connected to a 6-speed dual clutch automatic transmission. It goes from 0 to 100 in under 6 seconds, which is claimed to be 5.3 seconds, and has a top speed of 250 km per hour, which is electronically limited. Very aggressive design with the huge vents on both the side and the middle huge grille. It's got the matrix headlamps. When you come towards the side and you see the entire car from behind, you see the classic coupe design, which is consistent in all the 3 generations, and this one just made it look better. The side profile is a bit curvy as it was there in all the TT generations. When you come towards the front side, it's got the 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. It gets a border around the front fender, making it look like a bit of a wide body kit, and it's the S-line package. Here you get the rear view mirrors, which adds to its design, but personally when I was driving the car, I thought the rear view mirror were a bit small. It's got this aluminium bolted fuel cap, which looks like the one from the R8. Electronic active spoiler, which automatically raises itself above 120 kmph. And it's got a huge boot space, as you can see over here, which is quite practical, and you can even fold the 2 seats down for even better boot space. So hi guys, we are inside the 2016 Audi TT, which is a 2-liter 4-cylinder petrol engine that produces 227 horsepower. And now we've just come to Lonavala and I'm driving back to Pune. So let's just go. So guys, always have the seat belts on first. At around 40 kmph. We're right now on the comfort mode, so the suspension is a bit softer. Put on to the dynamic mode because we're on the Pune-Mumbai Express Highway. And the exhaust note just throttles up a bit. Crackles when the gear shifts is amazing. And it's also not that hard on the bumps. Quite a soft suspension setup. I'm taking this turn and the steering is quite precise and it goes as the direction I'm pointing. And the ride is also very smooth. The Quattro system, the Quattro all-wheel drive of the Audi, and it just sticks to the ground. This is a very practical sports car, and you can say. And the paddle shifters are also like the S5 that I've driven, but then the S5 made a lot of clicking sound, and this is a bit quieter, so it gives a nice feel. Only if the paddle shifters were a bit long, just like the R8, it would have been better, but there are extensions for the paddle shifters. So it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder motor, so it's quite small, just like its competition, like the 718 Cayman and the Boxster and the new F-Type that has come out. So you put a gear down and after 4500 RPM the engine actually starts growling and you can actually hear 1 RPM. It's a very quiet, a very calm engine, a very well-behaved car that you can say. And it can get very fun and sporty at the same time. Because now I'm in the dynamic mode, the suspension have become a bit stiff, so you can feel the bumps inside the cabin. So this car has costed around 1 crore, and the possible competition in this segment in India would be the Porsche 718 range, which is the box style the Cayman, the SLC 43 AMG, the Z4. Not sure if they're still selling it, but the new one will come up, and you have the Ford Mustang, and then you have this one, the TT. Ford Mustang would be a bit, because it's a 5-litre V8 engine, it's a bit heavy and it's just a rear wheel drive, so I think this would take off a bit quicker, but then the power of this is also a bit less. But then this is, you can drive this every day. It can be a daily driver. Even the owner, Mr. Ajit, this is his daily driver car. He takes it to his office daily. Also, this has got the 12.3-inch virtual cockpit that Audi calls it. It's a 12.3-inch high-resolution display that doubles up as the navigation and your speedometer, RPM meter, and all the information that you need when you're driving. Also, you can maneuver very nicely in this car because it's got a small wheelbase, so you can just cut around everyone very nicely. And you've got 230 horsepower under the hood. You have around 300 Nm of torque, and this color that you see, the yellow colored offer by Audi, it is actually an optional paint that costs around 6 lakh rupees. So you won't see so many yellow Audi TTs around. In Pune there is only one yellow Audi TT. I think I've seen around 3 maybe. So guys, that's it for today. That was the Audi TT. Hope you all enjoyed, because I really enjoyed especially driving this car on the Pune-Mumbai Expressway. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and even subscribe to my channel for plenty more videos to come. And I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.